What's up everyone? Nicholas from Quintessential Gent, and I'm here with an unboxing and review of the Prestige Country Brogue shoe from Samuel Windsor. While you watch the unboxing, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the features. These are quality handmade shoes with fine Italian leather uppers, half leather sock, a Goodyear welted construction, and rubber soles. As you can see, they come with a card containing information about the handmade manufacturing process and care instructions. Also inside the box is a shoehorn and an extra set of shoelaces. If you haven't checked out my Instagram feed, I've been wearing these shoes for a little over a month, and they have quickly become a staple in my wardrobe. These shoes were comfortable from the first time I laced them up on my feet with almost no break-in time. I appreciate that Samuel Windsor kept the cost of the shoes focused to the handmade quality craftsmanship. I look forward to wearing these shoes in the years to come. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below.